Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be a host on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Blooket website where you can log into your account at the top right corner by clicking on the login button and then using your credentials. Now once you have logged into your account, you can either create your own set of quiz by clicking on create a set or explore various available games by clicking on discover sets. Now once you find a game that you are interested in, you can simply go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on the game, you will be taken into the details page where you will be able to see all of the questions as well as answers. Now if you wish to host the game, you will simply need to click on the host button that you see underneath the game's title. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be able to select the live game mode. Simply click on the game mode that you want to select and then click on the host button. Now you will be taken into the hosting settings. Just go ahead and select the time for your game and then choose whether you want to show instructions and allow late joining as well as random names and student accounts. If you're hosting the game for your students, make sure the last option is checked. Now after you have assigned all of your settings, simply click on the Host Now button and now this will begin the hosting of your game. Now your students can simply enter the game code that is shown in the top section, or they can also scan the QR code from their phone. You can also click on Copy Join Link and share this link with your students or anyone who can simply tap on it and join your game that you have hosted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to be a host on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.